Jay. You might not know who she is, but she was a 14-year-old girl forced into marriage. Her dream was to become a journalist, but she had to drop out of school just to marry a stranger 12 times her age. I did research on child marriage and found that interesting story of Sharon. Like I stated, she was pulled out of school to marry an older guy, and the money her family got from that they paid for their younger son education. More than 650 million women and girls alive today was married before their 18th birthday. 21% of young women 24 to 24 years old, 20 to 24 years old around the world were child brides. Why child marriages happens? The main reason is poverty. They can't support all their kids, so they marry all their girls. Sometimes they use the money for their other kids, which isn't totally fair. According to International Women's Health Coalition, they said they sell them off because they think they're helping them financially, which means once they marry them off, it's the husband's responsibilities to take care of them. The consequences of child marriage. They say once they sell them off, it's like I said before, it's their husband's responsibilities to take care of them. Half the time it don't work out. They are usually be sexual abused, verbally abused, and forced to have children while they're still a kid themselves. Once they get pregnant, there's a high risk of them dying because they can't handle carrying a baby because their bodies is still developing. Also, there are a lot of high risk of catching different diseases like HIV, AIDS, and chlamydia, and other mental disorders like post traumatic stress disorders, bipolar disorders, and so on. Like I said before, they are forced to drop out of school to do their wife duties. And if they get pregnant, they have to take care of their kids. How we can help stop child marriages. We can help by joining organizations and posting it on social media. Every person on this earth has some type of social media. It's worldwide and it spreads faster than joining regular organizations. But joining organizations also help too. We can also donate to those family in need because, like I stated, the first reason they sell them off is because of financial problems and poverty. Child marriage threatens girl lives and health, and it also limits their education and future prospects. Girls present to child marriage often becomes pregnant and it increases the risk of complications in pregnancy or childbirth. Complications are the leading deaths among younger girls or ladies. Just remember that they are human like us and they deserve to live their lives just like us. They don't deserve going through they don't deserve going through all that pain. They shouldn't They should remain kids. Poverty in both countries causes society to view child marriage of young ladies as a economic transition rather than a violation of human rights. It should be different ways to provide for your family instead of shoving them off into marriage. And this is why I think people should be more aware of the child marriages that happens on in India because like I stated previously, India is the worst cases of child marriage. That's all for my presentation. Hope you liked it. Thank you.